So I was really shocked because I never thought this can be a side effect. I never thought this can happen from getting a vaccine. So when this happened, I was like, oh my god, am I gonna die? So yeah, so this is what happened after the very first dose, and oh my god, this was not what I expected. Hello guys, long time no see. I haven't posted in ages, but I thought this is something a lot of people will want to know about because the COVID vaccination is going on. So I just woke up, so I swear I was looking prettier in the mirror, but my mirror hates me. It told me I was looking pretty, so I just came up and I was like, I'll make a video, but now I look like this. So blame my mirror, but it doesn't matter because like no one's gonna watch this video anyway. So the thing is, I'm not a doctor. I'm a medical student, but even then, I'm just a random person who got the vaccination, and I just want to share my experiences because a lot of people, when I got it, a lot of people thought, are these symptoms alright? And not getting any symptoms alright? They're like, la la. So I just thought I'll share my experience so that you can talk about your experience, and together we can make an experience parade or something. I don't know. I just woke up. So I'll tell you first how the protocol goes. Basically, if you're a medical staff, you get it first. So since I'm a medical student and more or less, according to the government, a frontline worker, I got it. All the doctors got it. All the health staff got it. Everybody who works in that hospital got it. And we got a message, and we had to go there. And documents you need to carry are PAN card. I carried my PAN card, so I gave them my PAN number, and that's all the documents I need. Also, I'll add a small video which I made. It's a 1 or 2 minute video. You can watch it to see how the thing proceeds, what the entire thing looks like. So you go there, you give them your PAN number, they enter it, and then they give you a receipt or something where it's written. And also there are 2 vaccines available right now, Covishield and Covaxin. You get both. You can go and say which one you want. If you want information, there are people in these desks who tell you if it's a proper registered, proper government hospital, they have both. So you can go and educate yourself. You can literally go and educate yourself there, and they will give you the vaccine you want. But then there are places where only one kind of vaccine is available, so you can accordingly inquire if you want a specific type of vaccine. So yeah, I got Covishield, so I'm going to talk about that one. I have done my research on both, but I'm not going to talk about it because it might be prejudiced. So anyway, so I go there and they give me the first dose, the receipt for the first dose, and then you have to wait. You have to wait because there's a line. That sounded dumb, but yeah, you have to wait because there's a line. And then they give you the first dose. Now, it's an intramuscular route of administration. So having pain post-administration is perfectly alright. I didn't know that at first. A lot of people didn't know that at first. So I was like, why am I having so much of arm pain even after like 5 to 6 days? Like, they teach us that intramuscular route of administration gives you pain, but it was like I had pain for 4 to 5 days. It was really, really strong. Like, I didn't get pain when they inserted it, but after that, the next 4 to 5 days, I had like a real pain in my left arm. So just know it's alright if you're getting it. And then then they make you wait for 30 minutes, which is like the observation time, so that if you have developed any terrible symptoms, the people there can take you to the hospital, because most of these places have hospitals near them or are in a hospital. So if you're feeling anything, abnormal, or you're supposed to feel a little dizzy, that's all right. But if you're feeling something which you're not supposed to feel, or understand something extreme, go and say it. Don't suppress it. You're just supposed to feel a little headache, nothing more. So after that, I went home because I didn't feel anything much. And after that, the symptoms I got. Now, this is the thing about the Covishield vaccine or any vaccine in general. Everybody has a different set of symptoms. It's all right. You're supposed to have fever. This is a killed vaccine. It's a killed virus. So you're supposed to have some symptoms. So you can have headache. Not the migraine one, more like a heady, dizzy one. You're supposed to have a bit of fever, which is all right. Have paracetamol, it's fine. Again, I'm not a doctor. I'm just sharing what I got from others and from my own experience. You're supposed to can feel a bit nauseous, but that is rare. Mainly it's a headache and fever. You're supposed to get catch a cold. Too many people got a cold, including myself. A distinct symptom, everyone has their own set of distinct symptoms. The distinct symptom I had was I had a severe depressive episode for one day. I don't know how it was related to the vaccine, but I got it even after my second dose. So I related the two. I forgot completely first time. After I got it after the first time, it mainly started at night. There was no reason for me to be sad or anything, but there was a severe depressive episode, and it was fine by the next morning, but it was there an entire day. So this was about the first dose. The main problems were the dizzy headache and the hand pain. It lasts for 4 to 5 days. That's this one. So after that, or after 29 days, the period is 4 to 6 weeks. You can go from 28th day to 40th day, any day. I went on my 30th day, and the same procedure. Then I got my second dose. Now the second thing about the second dose is the hand pain will not last in the second day. Okay, so don't be scared about that. So the hand pain doesn't occur on the second day. It can maximum last for one day. In my case, that was it. There is no such hand pain because and I had a mild headache. Last time I had fever. This time I have a mild headache, and I had paracetamol. I was fine again. This time I had a runny nose again. And most importantly, my depressive episode stage, which was very distinct, I think, for me, because I didn't ask others. But if you're having it, just know it's alright. It goes away. So you'll be fine. And then I opened the CoWIN app and got my certificate that I'm vaccinated. So this was about my vlog about Covishield. I'll put my vlog. This is a 2-minute vlog. Watch it. But in general, there were no symptoms or anything, any side effect that had a long-lasting impact. So if you're somebody who is healthy, who doesn't have anything like asthma or hi-fi, anything, also if you have serious diseases, go and talk to the doctors there to know if you should get the vaccination, because it's better to be careful. It's better to know, have knowledge. It's not like they're giving the vaccine for free, let's go and take it. Don't do that. Talk to the doctors if you have some serious condition or any kind of comorbidity, so that they can accordingly give you the dosage or tell you again, advise you against it, or how the entire protocol will work. Or like for example, if you have asthma or anything of that sort, just go and talk to them about it. But apart from them, if you're healthy and if you're actually someone who goes out every day, or just if you are someone who you think should get it, just get it, because it's not like it has a lot of side effects. And even if it does, the disease is a pretty deadly one. So just go and get it at your own turn. And most importantly, even if you are someone who has got the vaccine, please wear the mask. Please wear the mask. We all have to together defeat it. So please wear the mask. Follow proper social distancing protocols, and you'll be fine. So like, share, subscribe, the same old. And I'll be talking more. I'll be making videos on which vaccine is having which symptoms, because now everybody is getting every vaccine. So I'll share other people's stories as well. This was mine. So like, share, subscribe. It will be somewhere here, or if it's not here, just bye guys.